First on our list is the cassowary. Native to Australia, this bird is known for its powerful legs and sharp talons, which it uses to attack anything it perceives as a threat, including humans. Next up is the harpy eagle, found in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. It has a wingspan of up to 7 feet and can carry off prey weighing up to 20 pounds, including monkeys and sloths. 3. The southern cassowary is another bird that makes the list. It can run up to 30 miles per hour and is known for its aggression towards humans. It has a large, sharp claw on each foot that can cause serious injuries.